I think it's important to remember that we were all kids once. When kids know that they can open up to you, they will talk to you. Sometimes kids just want to be heard. I'm very good at reading people because I hid away for so long. Being a member of the LGBTQ, kids see honesty. So if you're not hiding behind a veil, they're more likely to open up to you. That's so important, and I think that's where lived experience can make a massive difference to kids, just to take the next step for themselves.
He is a very open person. He makes me not feel judged. Through these sessions with Rob, it helped me grow as a person, and it made me open to who I am. It gives me a sense of, oh, I know who I can talk to.
Very often, Rob goes above and beyond the work of a youth worker at MAC. He brings a wealth of experience. He's full of ideas, full of ambition. He's always thinking about the young person, putting them first. And Rob espouses that every day when he's at work. Thank you so much for all you do for MAC, for all the young people, for all the families. We are so lucky at MAC to have you as part of the team, and I'm very lucky to have you on the team. Thank you so much.